Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome to Green Traders. I am Kumar here. So let's go and check out what was my Nifty prediction for today, which I had uploaded in my video yesterday. So as you can see, this is the screenshot of my video which I had uploaded yesterday. Okay, so there were two cases, sell cases yesterday, which I had given, and one buy level. So let's go and check it out. So my sell case one was sell below 11,350, and this case two was below 11,250, 350 and 250. So we'll go and check out the levels. So as you can see here, Nifty opened up around 11,276, and the low made was 11,260. So my sell level was below 11,250. So as you can see, it didn't reach and activated my so it didn't activate my sell level. So there was no chances on the sell side for Nifty today. So we'll just check what was my buy level. My buy level was buy above 11,350 for a target of up to 11,450. So as you can see, today what happened is soon after Nifty opened up, there was a nice bullish move, and after that up to 10:15, that is first 2 hours, there was a good moment in Nifty. But after that, Nifty started trading in the range. As you can see, there was a small doji candles formed until 11:30 in the after sorry 1:30 in the afternoon. So after 1:30, as you can see, these small candles they started Nifty started breaking out. Okay, so it broke out around 11:30, and you can see at that point Nifty, my buy call got activated. That is around 11,350, around over here. Okay, and Nifty made a high up to 11,417. That is roughly around 70 points. So whoever have traded according to these levels, they might have at least like profited around 30 to 40 points, at least half of the level or the points which I have like predicted. Okay, so this was the levels for yesterday, and let's check out what will be the cases and scenarios for Nifty tomorrow, and what are the levels. Okay, these are the levels as you can see here. I have written here. So we'll go just analyze in detail. Okay, so tomorrow I have given Nifty buy above 11,370. So as you can see, Nifty ended around 11,400 today. So why I am giving a sell below near to 11,370? Okay, because Nifty tomorrow, what may happen if Nifty may start trading on the same level, that's 11,400, or it may Nifty may gap up, open gap up, and start trading around 11,450 also. But the level which we want Nifty to come is 11,370. So this would be very safe according to risk to reward ratios. So stop loss will be very less, because this is the range where Nifty was trading, and this was the range where Nifty broke today. So what will happen tomorrow? Nifty may come for a retest over here, 11,370, for a retest. You have to wait for the retest. Okay, then trade at the pullback. Okay, around 11,370. If Nifty comes and retest this point, you can buy Nifty of above 11,370 for a target of up to 11,450. Okay, again at this point. So on the sell, there are two cases. In the first case, Nifty should come at this level, and as I said, you can buy above 11,370 only with some price action confirmations and reversible candlestick patterns only. If it is formed, then only you have to go for a buy, because there are chances where at this resistance, there will be many sellers, where Nifty can again trade lower and break this trend line and can come down. So be careful at this point. Okay, this is a very good level to buy as well as to sell also. So but we are not selling at 11,370, we are selling below 11,350 only once we get a confirmation that uh, that Nifty is really coming down. Okay, so those confirmations, price action confirmations patterns, once formed, then only you have to sell also. Okay, so you can sell Nifty below 11,350 up to a target of 11,250, 11,300 and 11,250. 250. Okay, that is the first case in the sell side. And in the second case in Nifty sell is if Nifty, let's say tomorrow it comes around 11,370 and we buy and Nifty starts trading up to 11,450. Okay, this is again the reversing level. Nifty may start reversing above 11,450 if it breaks, or it may reverse from 11,450 also. My prediction is it may reverse. So my prediction, that is 60-70%, it may reverse. So we have to be ready for both the scenarios also. Okay, if it breaks on the higher side, look for some buy confirmations, price action confirmation and patterns, and buy on above 11,450. Or if there is any reversible confirmation, you should be ready to sell or short Nifty below 11,450 also. Okay, so if it comes around here, look for any price action confirmation and do the trade accordingly. If it is sell, again the target would be up to 11,350. Sell below 11,450, target of up to 11,350. Okay, so these are the levels for tomorrow Nifty. Okay, so as usually I say, at these levels are very important levels which I give, because at these levels there will be immense price action movements, and the price momentum also will be very good. So one should be very careful, because never because your probability should be very high, then only you have to trade. Okay, if you're not sure, then please stay away from the trade. Okay, okay, that's it guys. So this information hope will be helpful for you to trade tomorrow. And as usually I say, friends out there who really want to learn price action trading, they can contact me, WhatsApp me. They can join my paid price action classes, which I conduct every weekends. Okay, and there are friends who want to just watch my free calls and such screenshots of price action patterns, and the level from which I give buy or sell, to watch those, so they can join my free Telegram channel also. And for more such videos, you can join my subscribe my YouTube channel as well. Okay, thank you guys, have a great day, bye.